Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel. So in this video I will like to show to you what iPhone photos can do for you. So this video will show you the way how to remove emoji from the picture only with your iPhone photos. So you just need to open your photo library and then you just need to pick the picture that containing emoji on it. So I already found this one. So the next thing we need to do is just go click the photo until this information is come up, and then you just need to go click edit and take a look on this top side. There will be three options here. Choose the middle one. The next thing we need to do is not scratching this, but then we need to add some shapes on it. You just need to go click this plus button and there will be bring you into the several options here, and the last line will be an add shape, so you just need to click it. And the next thing you need to do is pick the shapes that you want to use. I would like to use the circles. So the next thing we need to do here is just change the color by go click this part, and we need to adjusting the color so that the color is quite the same with the background. So we need to click this color picker and then we need to drag this. Oh, my bad. We need to drag the area that we want to keep. Hold on. And then we need to drag into the area that we want to clip here. Make it like as close as you can with the emoji, and then you just need to go click X and drag this part into the area that we want to cover. Just make it perfect, and whenever you're done you just need to go click done. So basically that is the way how to remove emoji with only iPhone photos. Hopefully today's tutorial is useful for you. Don't forget to leave some comment, like and subscribe into this channel, and I would like to see you for the next tutorial.